Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the speaker and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Marshall Bluetooth app right away. Allow required permissions so the app can discover devices. Once the app is open, put the speaker into pairing mode. Hold the pairing button until LEDs flash so the app can find it. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth scan runs, then tap the speaker name when it appears. This initiates the secure connection and moves you to configuration quickly and reliably. Once paired, you'll configure core settings. Follow the app prompts. If a PIN appears, confirm it. This secures the link. Next, update firmware if offered because updates fix bugs and add features. Configure EQ presets and decide if you want stereo linking with a second speaker. These choices change soundstage and balance. Adjust practical settings too. Volume limits prevent distortion, auto-off timer saves battery, and voice prompts control feedback. After you finish, the app stores settings on the speaker. To finish, test playback from your preferred source and switch inputs so you confirm the app controls everything. If audio drops or the speaker won't reconnect, reboot both devices, then open the app and try pairing again. Sometimes a fresh Bluetooth stack resolves hiccups. Once done, make sure firmware stays current. Updates install automatically when allowed. If problems persist, reset the speaker to factory settings and repeat the app setup. That clears corrupted configs and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.